Struggling to start a successful online business? You're not alone. The struggle is indeed real. It's a world full of complexities and challenges, where the rules of the game change faster than you can keep up. One moment you're dealing with setting up your website, the next you're trying to decipher the enigma of search engine optimization, hurdles in product sourcing, difficulties in securing reliable payment gateways, the daunting task of building a customer base. These are just a few of the many obstacles on the path to online entrepreneurship. And let's not even get started on the sleepless nights spent trying to crack the code of social media marketing. The frustration can be overwhelming, and the road seemingly endless. But what if we told you we have the perfect solution for you? Introducing our online education platform, designed to teach you how to start and grow successful online businesses. We've taken the guesswork out of entrepreneurship and created a system that works for everyone, regardless of your experience or background. Our mission is to empower individuals like you with the knowledge and tools needed to create a thriving online business. We believe in the power of online entrepreneurship and its ability to create financial freedom and a lifestyle that suits your needs. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating a life that you love. Our platform offers a wide range of courses, each tailored to a specific aspect of online entrepreneurship. Whether you're interested in affiliate marketing or creating your own digital products, we've got you covered. But we don't just provide information, we provide actionable strategies. Each course is designed to take you from zero to hero, with step-by-step guides that lead you through the entire process of setting up and growing your business. One of the key benefits of our platform is its flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, from the comfort of your own home. There are no deadlines or pressure. You're in complete control of your learning journey. And let's not forget about the community. When you join our platform, you're not just enrolling in a course, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals who are all on a similar journey. You can share ideas, seek advice, or simply chat about your experiences. It's a supportive environment that encourages growth and success. We also understand the importance of staying up to date in the ever-evolving world of online business. That's why we're constantly updating our courses with the latest strategies and techniques. When you learn with us, you're learning the most current and effective methods in the industry. But don't just take our word for it. Let us introduce you to someone who has walked the path. Meet Mark, a successful entrepreneur who set up his online business using our methods. Mark was, like many, caught in the rat race. Working 9 to 5, he was barely making ends meet. He yearned for more time, more freedom, more financial security. And so he took a leap of faith and dove into the world of online businesses. But it was not as smooth as he had hoped. The technical jargon left him flustered, the competition was daunting, and the fear of failure loomed overhead. Then, Mark stumbled upon our online education platform. He was intrigued by the promise of teaching people how to start and grow successful online businesses. Even more appealing was the claim of setting up an automated sales system that sells and generates multiple streams of income for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping. With skepticism, Mark enrolled in the program. The language was simple and easy to understand, a stark contrast to the complex business literature he had been sifting through. He was guided through the process of setting up his online business, step by step. His doubts slowly began to dissipate as he saw his business taking shape. The real game changer, however, was the automated sales system. He was taught how to set it up, and before he knew it, he was making sales even while he was sleeping. It was a revelation. His business was growing, and so was his confidence. Mark's life transformed in a matter of months. He was finally free from the constraints of a 9 to 5 job. He had more time to spend with his family, he was financially secure, and most importantly, he was his own boss. He was living the dream he had always envisioned. Mark's story is not an isolated one. There are countless others who have used our platform to turn their dreams into reality. We're not just teaching people how to start an online business. We're helping them create a lifestyle that provides them with financial freedom and the time to enjoy it. Mark's success story can be your success story. Wondering how Mark did it? One word: automation. So, what exactly is an automated sales system? Picture a virtual salesperson working tirelessly around the clock, never needing a break, and never making a mistake. That's what an automated sales system is. It's a digital tool that leverages technology to handle the sales process for you. Let's break it down. First off, it captures leads. Think of all the potential customers browsing your website or clicking on your ads. An automated system can collect their contact information and add them to your customer database. Next, it nurtures these leads. Not everyone is ready to buy right away. An automated system can send out targeted emails or messages over time, gradually warming up these leads and bringing them closer to a purchase. Then comes the selling part. Once a lead is ready, the automated system can guide them through the buying process. It can present them with the right product options, handle the payment process, and even upsell or cross-sell to maximize your revenue. But it doesn't stop there. After the sale, the system can follow up with the customer, asking for feedback, providing support, and even encouraging repeat purchases. And the best part, it all happens simultaneously and continuously, creating multiple streams of income. So while you're sleeping, on vacation, or even working on expanding your business, your automated sales system is there, making sales and generating commissions. But remember, the system is only as good as the strategy behind it. You need to understand your customers, their needs, their buying journey. You need to provide value, build trust, and create a strong relationship. Only then can an automated sales system truly shine. So that's the power of automation. It's not just about convenience. It's about efficiency, scalability, and growth. It's about turning your online business into a revenue-generating machine that works tirelessly for you. Imagine your business working for you even while you're sleeping. You might think setting up an online business takes a lot of time, but with our methods, you can launch in 7 days or less. Let's delve into the process of launching your affiliate marketing business in a week. Yes, you heard it right. Just 7 days. The beauty of this process is that it's not only feasible but also straightforward, even if you're starting from scratch. Day 1 is all about choosing your niche. This is the foundation of your business. It needs to be something you're passionate about and interested in. It could be anything from fitness, health, beauty, or even dog training. The sky is your limit. Day 2 is all about selecting the right products, the products that resonate with your chosen niche. By choosing high-quality, reliable products, you not only earn the trust of your audience, but also ensure a steady stream of commissions. On day 3, you'll be setting up your website. Don't be intimidated. We have the most amazing platforms that make this process a breeze. You don't need to be a tech wizard to have a professional-looking website. Day 4 is dedicated to creating content. Content that is engaging, informative, and useful to your audience. This is how you draw people in and keep them coming back for more. Day 5 is all about your affiliate links on your own hub. These are the golden keys to your commissions. You'll learn how to incorporate these links seamlessly into your content. Day 6, you'll focus on driving traffic to your site. This is where you'll learn about SEO, social media promotion, and other strategies to get your website in front of as many eyes as possible. Finally, on day 7, you'll launch your business. This is the day all your hard work pays off. You'll hit the publish button and your business will be live, ready to generate multiple streams of income. In just a week, you could be on your way to online business success. So, what are you waiting for? Your future as a successful online entrepreneur is just 7 days away. Ready to start your own success story? Imagine being on the driver's seat of a thriving online business, earning passive income even while you're catching up on your beauty sleep. It's not just a dream, but a tangible reality that's within your reach. Our online education platform equips you with the knowledge and the tools to establish and grow successful online businesses. We provide a clear roadmap to launch your affiliate marketing business in just 7 days, even if you're starting from scratch. Our automated sales system works tirelessly, selling and generating multiple streams of commissions for you round the clock. You're not just investing in a course, you're investing in your future. A future where financial freedom and professional fulfillment coexist. The first step towards this future is just a click away. Click on the link below and start your path to online business success today.